Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Solving multi-step word problems involving division of decimals is an exciting lesson that helps you think critically and solve real-life math situations. In this lesson, you will learn how to break down problems into steps and confidently divide decimals to find accurate answers. Our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to first, solve multi-step word problems involving division of decimals. Second, identify the correct operations needed to solve the problem. And lastly, show and explain your solutions clearly. Let's have a review first on how to divide decimals. For example, 3 and 6/10 divided by 3/10. So move the decimal point to make the divisor a whole number. In 3 and 6/10 and 3/10, which is our divisor? Alright, 3/10 is our divisor, the number outside of the division sign. So first is we're going to move the decimal point to make our divisor a whole number. So from 3/10 it becomes 3. And also, we're going to move the decimal point in the dividend the same the number of places in our divisor. So we move once in our divisor, so we're going to move once also in our dividend. So 3.6, it becomes 36. Then divide as usual. Now our number it becomes 36 divided by 3, and the answer is equal to 12. 12 times 3 is equal to 36. What is a multi-step word problem? A multi-step word problem requires 2 or more steps to solve, uses more than one operation, and must be solved in order. Possible operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Alright, let's dive into problem number 1. A school bought 7 and 5/10 kilograms of rice to be shared equally among 5 families. Each family used 6/10 kilograms for lunch. How many kilograms of rice are left for each family? Alright, let's solve this problem step by step. So step 1, we need to understand the problem. Identify what is given. So the given facts in the problem are 7 and 5/10 kilograms of rice, 5 families, and 6/10 kilograms used. Also, we need to identify what is being asked in the problem. So the problem is asking for the rice left for each family. After we understand the problem, next step 2, we're going to formulate a plan. Decide what operation or operations to use. So in this problem, first we're going to divide the rice equally. Second, subtract the amount used. So our operations are division and subtraction. Then let's execute the plan. Let's solve the problem. So we're going to solve this step by step. Step 1, divide. 7 and 5/10 divided by 5. So in dividing decimal number by a whole number, first we are just going to copy the decimal point from our dividend into our quotient. Then divide as usual. 7 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Bring down 5. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. Step 2, subtract. 1 and 5/10 minus 6/10. We are going to align the decimal point, then subtract. 5 minus 6 cannot be. Vary 1 from 1. 1 becomes 0. 5 becomes 15. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Then don't forget to copy the decimal point. So our answer is 9/10. The last step, step 4, check. Check if the answer is reasonable. First, 1 and 5/10 kilograms is reasonable for each family. Subtracting 6 tenths kilogram leaves 9 tenths kilogram. Check. Our answer, each family has 9 tenths kilogram of rice left. Problem number 2. A canteen prepared 18 and 6 tenths liters of juice to be shared equally among 6 classes. Each class gave away 5 tenths liters and then added 4 tenths liters from extra supply. How many liters of juice does each class have in the end? Step 1. Let's understand the problem. Identify what is given. So the given are, the total juice is 18 and 6 tenths liters. Number of classes, 6. Juice given away, 5 tenths liters. Juice added, 4 tenths liters. Identify what is being asked. So in this problem, it is asking for the final amount of juice per class. Step 2, let's make a plan. Decide what operation or operations to use. So the operations that needed in this problem are division, share the juice equally, subtraction, subtract juice given away, and addition, add extra juice. So let's put our plan into action. Let's solve the problem. First, we're going to divide. So 18 and 6 tenths divided by 6. So we're going to copy first the decimal point into our quotient. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So our answer is 3 and 1 tenth. Step 2, subtract. 3 and 1 tenth minus 5 tenths. So 1 minus 5 cannot be. Borrow 1 from 3. 3 becomes 2. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Bring down 2. So our answer is 2 and 6 tenths. Step 3, add. So 2 and 6 tenths plus 4 tenths. So let's add. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Regroup 1. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 3. Then align the decimal point. So our answer is equal to 3. Alright, the last step is to check. We're going to check if our answer is reasonable. So 6 times 3 and 1 tenth is equal to 18.6, and that's correct. Next, subtracting then adding gives a reasonable final amount. So our answer is each class has 3 liters of juice in the end. Great job for making it to the end of our lesson. Keep practicing your skills in solving multi-step word problems involving division of decimals, because every step you master makes you a stronger problem solver. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy math tutorials. Until next time.